guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Khanflicks. Today we'll be unboxing Panxer, essentially a tank designed for Eilik. Yes, that adorable, cute little robot that we reviewed in the past, in which today we'll be making it into essentially a fighting beast. Now, together we'll be unboxing as well as trying it out, so if you guys want your very own, check out the link down below in the description. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Ooh, so we got ourselves both a Panxer as well as a Mati controller. So this is actually separate that they do sell. So you got free roam where you can go and just kind of move about and have fun. You have you versus Panxer where you can go ahead and battle it out against Eilik. And then you have Panxer battle where you can go ahead and battle out two different ones at once. Oh. So some assembly is required. Oh, okay. We're gonna go ahead and attach them here, just like this. This goes like that, and this goes like that. There's a wire that has to connect from the base to the turret, and then the rest is just kind of like follows through. Oh, there we go. Ah!
Try harder next time.
Oh, I can feel the controller. It's so like. Anyway, so we could put flags on this guy as well. So to assemble the flag, I guess it just kind of mounts on the back over here, like that. And then you pick a flag. So it's got a few different flags in here. Now there's different modes, and then this is me versus Panxer. So to hit confirm.
Hey, wanna watch a tutorial? Hold RT button to charge, release to fire. Longer charge, more power. Hold RT next, press LP button to defend. Bring it on! 3,
2, 1.
fighting!
Oh snap! Okay. Oh, it's gonna fall off the table. Stay on the table, buddy. Shields on. Got him!
You win!
So fun. So obviously you have three different modes. One we just did, which was the you versus Panxer, and the other one which is free roam where you can go and just kind of move it about. But it also has Panxer battle, which you can go and fight against a friend, or in this case, your son. Let's have at it. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, fight! Alright, so I got Hamza and Zen here. What do you guys think of these robots?
Good.
Yeah? Are they fun?
Yeah.
What do you like about them?
They're they drive and they shoot, have guns and they drive.
They drive? So it's like a RC tank. And then you also have Eilik, which is really cool too. Alright, well there you guys have it. Overall, Panxer is a lot of fun. Definitely a great blast and well worth it, especially if you already have an Eilik. This is a great way to go ahead and make it more essentially entertainable. And with that said, if you guys have any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.